The use of the Motive card and the partnerships that Motive has developed with fueling stations, we've seen a savings between the partner discounts and the rebates at about $12,000 a month, which has been very significant to the bottom line for KLX. My name is Douglas Barnett, and I'm the Vice President of Quality, Health, Safety, Environmental, Fleet, and Risk for KLX Energy Services, which is an oil and gas service company with approximately 1,700 employees and a fleet of approximately 1,700 vehicles. We have a lot of vehicles that drive in very remote areas, so the ability to see what is actually happening on the road is very critical for our business. The biggest improvements that we have seen have really bridged across all the KPIs that we established with Motive at the very inception of us coming into AI dash cams. Our driver score was probably 84, 85. Where today the corporate driving score is a 96. That tells me that our drivers are driving safer and that we're just being a more responsible company on the road today. In 2022, we had 31 at-fault vehicle incidents. The first year, with half the year implemented in the fleet, we reduced that down to 25 vehicle incidents, and year-to-date, we're at 9. This year, we've seen a 51% reduction in cell phone usage in our vehicles, and that can be directly attributed to the AI dash cam facing the driver and the audible alerts. The relationship with my customer service manager with Motive is almost like having another employee. Really, the health of the fleet is never an issue because we have so much communication with Motive.